songs for the ladies that's always feel like it. Hey. Saying, hey girl, do you know I'm over here doing a song for you? Saying, let me say, I'm over here, I'm doing a song for you. Saying, yes, I'm Jada and I wanna do a song for you. Saying, everybody, can I do a song for you? Saying, girl, saying I like your style, and saying, yes, do you know I like your smile? Saying, I'm here to end this, yes, I'm over here, you drive me wild. You over there, the end, you just doing your thing today. I'm over here, the end, I want you over here next to me. Saying, hey, saying, girl, you know the saying, yes, do you know I like your style? Saying, I'm here, the end, I said, I want you to have my child. And I'm here to try to give you like just everything. Say if you know I will go give you everything. Saying, hey, saying do you want to go over and travel just around the world? Do you want to go about a plane? Do you want to go with your girl? Do you want to go to over there by the boat or by the crane? But still I'm over here doing everything you know I bring. Saying I was saying I'm over here today trying to make you happy. Saying everybody saying yes, oh girl, you next to me. Saying I was saying the saying yes, I like your energy. So let me say that when I'm talking about when it's 1, 2, 3, saying girl, saying I'm liking your style, they're saying girl, do you know I like your flow? I like your skin and I like your energy for sure.